Simplify the square root of 49 over 1,250. Take the square root of the numerator and denominator separately. The numerator is a perfect square. Its root is 7. In the denominator, 1,250 equals 625 times 2. The root of 625 is 25, so move it outside. The denominator still contains square root 2. Rationalizing removes that root. Square root 2 over itself equals 1. Multiply by this factor. The value stays equal. Multiply across the numerator, then across the denominator. On top, square root 2 remains. On the bottom, square root 2 times itself is 2. 2 times 25 is 50. The simplified exact value is 7 square root 2 over 50.